What's up guys, my name is Junior Drawing and today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a rose. Now you can use a rose in lots of different things such as Mother's Day and Valentine's, but it's mainly to show your appreciation and love for other people. And you can just draw it if you want. You can just draw it at any time. But this is super easy and super fun and for beginners to draw the rose. So what you're going to be needing is a rubber, a pencil, and a pencil sharpener. You might not be needing a pencil sharpener because if you finish this super quickly, because as I said, it's a very easy and very simple to draw this. So you might not be needing this pencil sharpener. But right now I'm going to put this rubber to the side and we'll get right into it. So first you want to draw like a sort of I'm not sure really how to explain it, but maybe like a lollipop. So you want to start in the center and go small and kind of make it bigger and bigger. Like that. Like that. So it's like a lollipop. And then what you're going to do is draw you from one end of the lollipop to the other. Like that. Now I'm going to rub out this part, this little line. And that's where the rubber comes in quite handy. I'm going to rub that out because I don't want this lollipop to be too thick at certain parts. So next I'm going to put just a little line to show a petal in between that U. I'm then going to, as I said, this video is going to be quite short because this is super simple and easy. So now I'm already on to the plant, the stem. So I'm just going to draw a long line. Like that. Doesn't have to be super straight because plants aren't perfect. Nothing's perfect. So, next, we're going to draw the leaves. We're going to go like this. We're going to have it kind of curved. Sorry, I'm moving this sideways. And we'll kind of curve it like that. Now, you can put like spikes like that. You can draw it like with spikes, but the way I'm doing it is I'm just drawing it normally like that, but now it has spikes on, which is fine because some roses have prickles and thorns, which we will also be drawing. So now we're going to draw another one right there. Now I'm going to do that one again because I feel like rose petals, rose leaves need to be sharp and strong. And again, I'm going to draw it, curving, and now stronger, like that. And then I'm going to go up and straight, like that. So, and as I said, I did spikes there. So, the next thing you want to do is just super easy. You just want to probably like do some thorns. You can also, if you want, go in a line, and if you want to take attention to more detail, you can put in a line in between. Go up, up, like that. Now, after this, you don't have to do that. This is almost the end. Now I'm going to get out my colouring book. Not my colouring book, sorry. I'm going to get out my colouring pens. And I'm going to colour it in. This is not compulsory. So you don't have to colour it in. But I'm going to colour it in. So what we want is, we want a red. Obviously. And we're just going to colour that in over here. For those who don't want to colour in, hope you have enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this, and to enjoy more colouring in like this. So yeah, I've coloured that in so far. Now, right now on the screen, it looks quite dark. So we're going to get our pencil and we are going to go through it again. So I'm going through it again because I want to be able to see it more. And I don't want it to be super dark. Like that. That's better. Now you can go over it in Sharpie for colouring in. Although, as I said, even with any colouring in, you should probably go over it in darker, because the darker the pens are, the more likely the pencil is going to be rubbed out. So I would go over it darker to still see the pencil markings. I would go over it harder. So now we're just going to get a green. Like a light green would be good. So we've got light green. Sorry about the shadow. And I'm not going to go over with this. But I did make a mistake because I also want the thorns to be a darker green. So these needs to be darker because they're meant to stand out. Oh, there's a smudge. Well, that's art for you. So I can also make these ones darker, and I can do all sorts of things. So I might, for instance, take this, like that. Now, obviously, there are lots of smudges. But as I said before, that's art for you. Can't do much about it. And I sort of like it. It's more artistic. And it sort of more makes it, although it's not very good, I don't think, for Valentine's Day, because it seems like it's blood. But if you want to portray that sort of image, then smudge it. Well, thank you guys for... I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, as I said, and like the video if you want more sorts of drawing like this. Keep on doing art and just keep on going. Thank you and goodbye.